Welcome to Study Loop.
This is the answer to Chapter 13, problem number 26 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And in this problem, we're given 4 molecular ions, and we're asked to determine some possible formulas, 2 formulas for each molecular ion. And so the way to approach this problem, you need to know the atomic weights of common atoms: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and you pretty much just have to figure out what numbers of each will add up to the molecular ion that we were given. And so for A, we're looking for a molecular ion of 102, and 2 formulas that satisfy that are C8H6. And again, it's because 8 times 12, which is how much carbon weighs, plus 6 times 1, which is how much hydrogen weighs, equals 102. Alternatively, or I guess in addition, since it is asking for 2, C6H14O also works, and I've drawn the math out here. And of course, there are many others that you could come up with, as long as they add up to 102. But these are 2 of the simplest answers. So for B, we're given a molecular ion of 98. I've drawn 3 formulas here, just because there are 2 easy ways to satisfy this with just hydrocarbons. And then I did want to include one with oxygen, just because oxygen is pretty common in organic molecules. And so I thought it might be good to include all 3 of those. For the M to Z equals 119. So remember that is an odd number, and that should indicate to us right away that there's probably at least 1 nitrogen and an odd number of nitrogens in this molecule. And so my first answer has 1 nitrogen. My second answer has 3 nitrogens. And remember, odd numbers of nitrogens in a molecule are pretty much, I don't want to say always, but they are most likely going to be the answer, or involved in the answer, when you have a molecular ion that's an odd number. And then lastly, D is just in the same pattern. So C6H2 and C4H10O both satisfy a molecular ion of 74. And that is the answer to problem number